multi TV channel and social live and so honum sanso and I streaming of Facebook such a Adom TV Extra. Adom TV Extra. O call moi obet me her live and so on Facebook and I bet me a page I could see in such and so YouTube search for Adom TV yes streaming and so I bet me be I should comment or ya begin prepare can nyina e de amount. A very good morning to Obi Awajibre na or the share to you. Oh boy Nico. Ya ochre ade wo Amaniampon Senior High School government teacher. Oh boy have good morning. Good morning Uncle F man also the headmistress of Amaniampon Senior High School. Mama patcho ho ye de. Mo so de adwuma pa ya oye. Ba me tete niema bi nsem bi ala se afere Asante Mampon Amstead Akentina Pia Menkandi and the University na afere Mampon aye fully fledged university be University of Mampon ntinie eboboba enso eno no se afere suapon na ewo Asante Mampon no edin ya ebeto so ye University of Mampon it is say ewo University of Ghana esi enkran Legon no yenso ye wo University of Mampon smaka jo say enye ne suku tete eni si say school no ti edina fefa St Andrews Training College mu na de aba you see we na de aba be see Amstead so say ne Mampon University ben University of Mampon ti ene edra campus ni nyina ebom even fire that I remember say na mam take for 100 years no and Asante Mampon hine da sebre osebo so ya otosumi no akra mechi on anopen raise that concerns say tertiary institutions that Mampon yempe kwen betimi amfa so a ye beye kabom de after that Mampani so eba ye Asante Mampon ayorom da sebre so ne edi nkomo ya mede ma so to for me tinsemba akomienu bi e afa ho da sebre so de Mampani edi nkomo Emma education minister so esuma mpanfo agya tum die ntie ho hia se o se eto die no University of Mampon because for na abaye a fully fledged university say n9 obi enyina obi na se so no akasa ejina na so you know from ebia next year ekono mpanfo to ne ma de ma agu akwam ye se ebeye full fledged university dia na o se ne ma university hia ma etimi etumpon no yenso yensa enso etimi eka some that Asante Mampon can say one of the few towns in Ghana. One of the few towns in Ghana. Ya bet me at on Marco school from crèche. Abo masters. Ya 129 enko baby ya. That is Asante Mampon for you. Senka US and Massachusetts. Say United States of America and Massachusetts. One the hub of education of US. So the hub of education in Ghana Asante Mampon. Once again the pen for us say afia peja kodu sa Mpensenpensemu happy birthday koma Madam Janet Owusu one obaba Cynthia nyame enhira no onyo kese kopem so be kese pa we every team Adom 106.3 FM honum I'm sure we show all the best a lovely mother by all standard Madam Janet Owusu one obaba Cynthia ya wish him happy birthday. Yankopon shram na onyam kese kopem se mobeye kese pa. Then a very good morning to Inspector Bridget Babanao, Public Affairs Unit, Ghana Police Headquarters. Owo. It's Inspector Bridget Babanao. Good morning to you. So I'm very free ba. Hey, the boys here. Boys here, you know. Hey, and as a farmer, teacher farmer. Yeah, once again, good morning to you, Inspector Bridget Babana of Ghana Police Service, Public Affairs Unit, headquarters now. Oh, shall be brilliant and not pay. Because Kel Chaco toothpaste, any smart catches do fiada dia, and then say boys Benjamin, and then boys Benjamin, Gada Jenny Pusso. Smart catches service can only bit be investment too. To the be no test ya bontin kakra no bugi wo na efifire kakra asto you see utisi abontin enye ni nyina na ne bonne su to the be obi di nkomo bi wo baabi ohia service wo baabi food ne for you ne bi asa service no na provide na make na otu omachi ona betimi afast dey ashim na wonya o contract to business or one mo ano but that's adwena kwa ese ye dey pie kwa winsan kwant no o yire mu kro o pie kwa na o yire mu kro wo issues kakra ho ba nye sa na o se koye so enye sa na o se koye ye pie ni nyina ye pie si ye connect ye ho ye pie se na be ya at least pie ye pie nfa so betimi abaso yes boys be nom kakra boys be ka no kakra boys be ye kakra but wo tuo nyina na wo bie wasum ekomodiem enti ye nom sa no e dey hangover be piem ende when they say boys be say 5,000 hangover mo da so radar no so ye dey abetio but e ba ne sa ba twem say re ba ka onya e ka chako toothpaste unya Kel Chaco toothpaste for you say another party fatu anum na de so akregu no arrange ma ho pampan no enwura with throat nim eno ano so gonna the days our boys ba na just all say e man here fast near hu no ice cream ke bia no sugar ni milk ni need na star but also me na wo di na me ya ahode kakra betu be dey ni atwem unya Kel Chaco toothpaste me see man pampan no enwura o throat no ebuanu ano be yefro but anya no adwuma party pie but anya way side of it we boa ma eto sefita e bo wonum so timi to so tekra de kama wo kasa nka papa e de free wonum eba ye wo keked enso ehon me ne mofra no e de makato se emu de papa keked no emu de ti se wunya bi na de mama na so fa atwa mo sia obetimi atwini se be se emprenum kra da ko bia because paste na kasa no emu de akwa no twitwi nesia onti ohaw bia ewo eche pebito supermarket bia na store bia ko bia banya Kelkis Kel Chaco toothpaste no bi so it was Kel 362 paste and so hodom and so kama papa so be boa etimi amodum atosiem won ependo do atu akwakoton na yeto na meka kiro and wo kan ye ma yeto ne ye mamu ye pa Kel 362 paste Kelkis toothpaste Kel Chaco toothpaste any ade ye top pa it is somebody do akwa na manyina be go back fan ye ton 10 fresh 0593 809227 0593 809227 and 0246 865798 0246 865798 Kingdom Rare Home Estate and so any Kingdom Home Estate and estate papa obia kwotena na sum adwonwo eye Kingdom Home Estate sanso wonu kwa na patro kwotena me se enkane ho ensuo ba enye nsuo atofe ensuo ba 24 hours e basa po pressure so de ba no eso ntesa bo kane no so gina so sa e de ma akwan ye security because CCTV camera no etwa estate no nyina ahia sa akokompo atukosua ye capture how much money per order more baby bone unya Kingdom Home Estate komo nchen na kopo mo de ne bi etoate ne beboa wo unya wura otim sampa wawura ba papa beboa na ne ma de kura e de wo mu yesem omno kwa betimi atwa between 50 to 70% dia to they can ya spread the amount say twa ne kakrakra na betra fie why ne betra fie say e ba cho hwe mo atan no e wo akropo right after latte junction ho ne mo a wo bibia ne afre 0536 0536 149 961 0536 149 961 0536 149 961 and 0303 939 987 0303 939 987 Kingdom was no challenger. National Education Week in so any National Education Week, because something that's what you say, education delivery for national transformation. The case for STEM and TVET. My catch say is idea about ko sika wa ho pa ye wo mo o me onsano dwuma. Ba ye mamu anu na se bi to da bia say ye mu no ade papa. Ye bu ne sebi say ade ginjan bi. Fanso oh am ko school for school dropout for and a year onsano dwuma. Anything am no me ne ye da so bre atifie no. Woni muntia enu ntia ne da so bra ye tifie no kono krepe wo me se aban bia nya nan so bia adwuma ma obi abanya bia yo ezi ne betimi aboa ye nsa no nyuma kakra na be soso no ti me wiem de wana se minimade bi pamo a bako chifi wonya ntuma bako mienu mesa bi ukudu papa wapa no so wonya 50 20 50 20 sa won ba wo se sika na emma kese die fi se o we dey sika be ya 50 20 50 20 ne 100 Ghana de e sika be ba wonya bote kan nyina bombo so me bako na bo se sa adwuma na wo ye no kra na da bia so ra wo mache pon nwumere no emfa so kra ni so ekruma na ya empen e pese da bia hen ni abotai yes coat and tie job say na ye adwuma no boa wona makatwa ansonso da bia mo asra na wona bo na Friday mo asra bo bi o ye nsa no adwuma wo gino me so ko say na Friday wo kwa no okoje bosia because obetwa ye kwa mo mpesa ade no ma me bosu mi adwuma nyina bebre na asra no na bo na say boys ni coffee na ho na do ba adwuma yeah all the boys no ona wona do ba adwuma ona bo wa ba adwuma kono ko sua sa no dwuma eso ne wo ye ne so fiti mi no sua akakra de asoso ese me wu you coast na me na me san so pamade ni sua ne pam cause na me yire so pamade so to me say sua ade pam kakra so de asoso the next time we must have met you wo say atare ehye nyame na me pam ade to me 100 Ghana and 50 Ghana we beje no me mefa me de massage obi so de so sa de account na eboa na ekwe pa chop what if I want you TV wetin we National Education Week no abansa no enya amanya osem hye papa aban de gu akwema boase na be ya TV wo de sua betimi atumpon e de akọ nanim ye e de ama yem okay mami me phone lines no entuye ni enkomo ene anope but before that me can say snit ne so kosumu amoye mo ankasa msa no djuma especially yen tonko so nye contribution to snit yen tonko so nye contribution to snit ko makato say obinim ochina sem ti onti na panesi ahohini ti ne ye jabore ye ho bekeka ye nti ene toro bi ye jabore ba akodi so se na bi ba ye rebetiti yen tonko so enye contribution ko snit na be ya ye kwa ye hie mu a eno aso ti asoma afia sa akode kan 37-year-old guy or snitch contribution because wakonya accident. I'm a bit what me near you may be the current state no. It is snitch nation na ko pim say either say nyambe na mo wojina na so be na how about beto ne sade afre no 37 years. Ti wow you on stand no ma ko snitch o me dey be fe ne seed. Self-employed Roman air drive no. Ko bi na mo fa o ehiem na small contribution na boso me so na say oku ahomegye mu a sabu woni atutu anka wonsam twewei be bai sie
ho enkoye because sika ana be John sika no embasa
okay
ejun so so ye produce a man for no why are they not paying and say one ye nyasa sika na your patients no so ayana emaiden kakra because sika na ye kwita ye gino enwa na ye turning around enwa na you invest back into the system just to serve your customers here. So when the money is not coming, it affects you. And the 40% of your expenditure energy, or say to your ECG, Netco, Gridco, or so our 40% chemicals take about 30%. Overheads and buy operations and maintenance and buy chemicals and buy nanochemical. Until Sika now we are operating already at a loss. It's a ketwana so a man for no muntia dia. Let's just say affected. See na ECG disconnected and treatment plan there. How can we operate? Intian talk chemicals, how can we operate? So it is very difficult for us when the money isn't coming in.
Okay.
And until you do paper, so a few say I will say you see chrome. The whole of this year, we've been doing this revenue mobilization program.
Okay.
So, but I don't see why our customers always want to wait for us to come over to collect their money. It's a contract. Two parties involved, Ghana Water Company Limited and the customer. Your obligation is say we will produce the water and then supply it to you.
Okay.
At the end of the month, one we then we'll pick up your consumption, and then send you the bill. So the only thing a responsible person will have to do is to just pay back what you've already consumed. So what I said. But if you wait for us to come over again or spend more money, okay, spend more resources to come and collect. So I just say you are making a cost of production much more higher. Already now cost of production is higher, very high, and into the tariffs also. But then if you are burdening us with this one, so everyone call higher more, then definitely to affect the tariff. Meanwhile, no, yeah, the same people are every time there's tariff adjustments, so you complain. Yeah, we only send our reports to PULC. PULC will assess a lot of things: inflation, OPEX, and CAPEX, expenditure, operations and maintenance, the productions and everything. And then when they finish, they put everything together in the formula and then come out with the tariff. Okay. So what I say. And so if we don't want the tariff to go higher now, then it means the parameters that go into the formula, I will say about form. Okay. How can it come down when we ourselves are making it go up? So what I say, because if expenditure is down, definitely to be one of the parameters have one about down. Okay. So what I say. So the ones that we have control over, and we need to do it. If, for instance, your pollution of your river bodies very lower, it means cost of production will go lower. Okay. It will be one of the say galamsey ensena enu amode begum dia so ne so no enkoso bebre chen say galamsey ase no definitely no your production cost e be form. Okay. It is one of the parameters na call formula no it is so come then it just so be form. Okay. But if all these parameters, all these factors are going up now, definitely the end result will be among for some matnas ya twen ama ye kobro nyansa na mutu sa na mo. And yes, I could me say a fin I'm happy say Misha says because I feel no we have been doing that. It's making young cost or young operations cost is making it higher. So I feel we are rather pushing young customers to pay. We are making announcements. We are advertising. We are talking to people, organizing a forum. And a non account. No, cost of operations no a cost. Okay. A cost definitely it will affect the tariff. So it is very important to say Obiabe play the role here. Okay. Elsewhere, I mean Ghana for people they have lived outside. Yeah. They know say some of their utility bills are linked to their bank accounts. Yeah. The Bosumi so partner ati. Nti works emba ho ma who say physical akakutia. So what I said. So it makes it efficient. Yeah, system no entesa. So nti if we want to get to that extent now, then I will say and gradually we are getting there because it's here all banks are collecting revenue on behalf of the Ghana Water Company Limited. Apart from your customer app any Momo payment and account, the banks are also collecting. So Badwam Mpensenpensemu will be linking it to a bank account. Or new service connection, you have to provide your bank account, and then maybe some standing order be at the end of every month. So I say, we would have wished to say everybody has control over his budget at the end of the month. But if the same people that we are serving, we are killing ourselves to serve, behaving this way towards us now, they are not being fair. To the utility and that's why a free and now consider be you go so yeah okay and I think say we say come for DNA best say do sometimes we book up now yam show do but for us to come out at this time to say come with them come say am for them look so let me explain something. Okay who say there no a postpaid yeah Inti unum we before ubetia. Inti every month we are adding on. Okay. Every day we are adding on onto your way. Inti said there were 100 damn bape not just a critical problem. And that is why sometimes I'm reluctant to mention the figures because make us a crab maybe a account. Make us say maybe a account because the moment you receive your bill and you do not pay immediately then there's the creation of more arrears. Okay. So and so that's but it is huge. If it is not affecting our operations, if you are able to manage effectively without any challenge now, we'll still be just having just a chat with our people or just encouraging them to maybe pay no account, and that wouldn't be bad. But you see, say no pay or you get disconnected and just say I want
And there's more disconnected companies best say. Any uncronkro fee best say.
Because you are doing it on daily basis, no.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be able to mention a few. I know because people have been disconnected. Because a bundle we just disconnected.
It would disconnect.
On my way to this place, I had a call from Obi or Winneba. I'll say, or the car 300 cities, and they'll be disconnected. I'm saying yes, so the car. Because office at 300 cities in Jessica.
Okay.
But 300 cities, no. I don't need a and kitten, obi there 100 cities, obi there 50 cities, obi there 200 cities, obi there 1,000. So I said, sank it, and the boom, accessing into foreign exchange, editor and chemicals, and import a infidel and no juma. So don't assume say 20 cities in Jessica and 50 cities in Jessica. Then you know Jessica and kitten tariff not born yet, so born yet. And the sank it, and the agitating in the boom. At the boom, and Sunday 18 idea was here.
Okay.
And to visit 20 season, Jessica, it's coming.
Stanley Mate, a petty portion of Masadi Kutaho at the Magana Water Company Limited. Stanley, dear Musia, Eddie Free, you say ECG form the estate Adam Kofa prepaid at the buy. Ghana Water, you try to see a baby near prepaid meters, and it's when my Togus never use and Sana or the year manner.
You really prepaid metering out.
Okay.
It is possible, say, in the course of time, if you between your robust equipment, if you say a month will not be able to tamper with it. Yeah, you prepaid piloting that.
Okay.
Yeah, piloting. You take one elite community, one middle income community, and one low income community, and mountain in Wahonu. But we rather run at a loss. Because people tampered with the meters, including the elite community.
Hey,
yes.
Muye prepaid meter a piloting.
Yeah, of course.
Muboka.
Yeah, boka pa. Because people were just tampering with the meters.
How much tampering to say?
Had my shake a machine as soon as I mean, a whole lot of. Prepaid metering. Who say yen and say ECG. Yeah, ECG the power no a month for through. When you're expert, you can't tamper with it, and if you tamper with it, now you could lose your life. Yeah. Until a boom one for who kakra. Those who are able to do it are the very few or more expertise in survey. But plumbing no a connection of a water na no home because the risk no a less no. The amount for tamper with it. I mean, people really tamper with the thing.
But more considering sana modo out, piloting.
So that is why we do a pilot.
Okay.
So we would want to see the feasibility of the thing. So you do a pilot to check, say, can this thing withstand the test of time?
Okay.
Can such as until after 3 to 5 years, no. You're monitoring over the period, no. You're monitoring over the period, not just say we're rather having a downward trajectory.
Okay.
So we're rather losing money.
Okay.
And then we did more studies into why we're losing money. Then we realized, corner share equipment that you see the equipment there for camera, but when you be so I won't say nyoma koso. So so that was a challenge, and we realized that wouldn't work for us. Okay. So it will be better for us to withdraw. Okay, go back to your normal winner, and then you prepare a more robust equipment. Okay. So now it me anyway.
Okay. Eti Stanley Mate and Ameneno Semino Eka say acting assistant managing director Adom, acting managing director. Hey, for chairman. We did for you here. Acting managing director Adom Ghana Water Company Limited. Because so Abeka means Collins Nyama. So Abe Fier on Subetua Ecomotriano. CNN.
CNN over there some of
Bravo God here. Aquaba Subium. Mim say traffic na how.
They won't find me. Reform find me.
Yeah. And the minute Stanley about the drew, yes, Bugu so a damoka. I'm for the moka more tune almost said beba. man just say mo ye pilot in Ukraine and go for say we are soon still.
Prepaid
for the prepaid.
For the prepaid, yes.
I need so many some more. Hey.
Well,
but we haven't ruled it out.
Okay, that's all.
You go so you pay a more robust equipment.
Okay.
Until we have a committee we are looking at it. We always get investors or mobile inside or similar equipment. But nina share say no fit into your terrain. Or your terrain no yes say so say elsewhere some of them will work because they won't tamper with it.
Okay.
But Ghana no they will. So we need a more robust equipment that if you tamper with it now it will indicate somewhere and then will come at you. So you use smart meters.
Okay. Smart
meters no good and monitoring it is easy and then it also fits into your terrain. To the extent say even if you do a bypass now we could detect from your system and also okay. So we are looking for a prepaid equipment and also with me ISR. For instance, ECG4 prepaid Nibia using the moment you tamper with it, then the whole thing triggers off.
Okay.
And there's no way you can have a power such as here. So then there's fear for you to. And once you crap now, a team electric too now a cool. But if we can get an equipment, the moment you attempt to tamper with it, no, a bit me a trigger off, and there's nothing you can do, and now a bit me electric too, and I say then it will create that fear. Okay. So that so any idea at all will be a good enough for your terrain now for your system now. Yes, why not? We're going for it because prepaid metering is the way to go now. Digitalization is the way will be ecosystem. Everybody is leveraging on technology to improve on it. Yeah, started technology way back. So what I say, but your production that we are here now, we only have to take our time and do things right. Because the moment you lose a lot of money. So within a month I'll be losing one shot not cripple.
Okay.
And we wouldn't want to go into that again. So we take our time, test the BBA was saying, and we test the system very well to see say any negative impact on your operations, and then we go in for it.
Okay.
To be was a Ghana water company the whole gene. For instance, also your customer apps is here. Commendation I from and a feedback I from customers just say it's about the best app in Ghana.
The payment app.
The payment app, no. It's about the best. It took us a lot of time so to go through it. In terms of from on your bar, no yes, no, in Konasa. We take our time to ensure say Bibiako because the slightest a year you lose a lot of money. Yes, so we don't get any money from anywhere apart from your revenue.
Okay. And you call it, I mean, Mr. On the political front, Kwamba na mo fast mo deal with aban nyume kwa e de Ghana water forecast.
Many of us made us na machia arefo eye Adom Badwam arefo mo hwe customers nyina so Ghana water customers nyina mo hwe e be chia mo nyina e be say traffic ntimi ma DH ma ka chiri kakra ba mo fan cheme inu politics in
Okay.
In terms of say you didn't so eba Ghana and you name say where APC ni where CPP ni and I say PNC ni what you say and I say NDC ni and I say MPP ni aban nyumakuo no aban the Ghana for there and say the head of communications kai no Ghana Water is 100% owned by Ghanaians. I just say Ghana Water Company Limited no Ghana for you na there to say ya hwe na ya de be politics na ye gu oman adwuma enti we no politics bi anim say Ministry of Finance ya meta omo meta omo yisunso enti say Ministry of Finance na a part of our reporting ministry no say odeyeka na wantua ye be ko akakotwa Ministry of Finance for ensuo yes Ministry of Education almost so ministry a here pa to say the equally like other ministries but ono so use so na say sikasem no ema akwanya wo se betwa mu nso mu but we are also open say obi ntimi entua ne de ahokyere wo ho bra na yenye nhyehyeye eye payment plan na yenye ne kakra because ya anya ne sa yensu sem no ebe dum pempenso bi no ebe ha ye nyina broni ka say water is life sabi yeti akurase no ebi wo ho akane ani ho but still ya de ye de ben ya dada nyuma ekoso but enso eni wa bra bomu a wasetena mu a ebe ye den nti enso ni ya de ase me nya ya ka ye besesa itirimu po ni adwene se enso die kame ye gimi pay kranka enso me water bill na nka mahwe na matua kane ansa na mahwe ifa ne se enema bi a bills nketenketen bi fi enso die se ni wasetena mu ade nti all other government agencies MDAs no district assemblies metropolitan ministries agencies na aban agencies na omo nyina ombo de eka nyina no ebre so se ye be call mo so ani bre so but o se efa mra kwan so
okay
na ye gi esika yenim se enema nso tonso for more den but agency no ministry department agency ni se enema mo aden abra na yenye hyehyeye
okay
na yengi esika ba fi sika ne de agbasi ye pesa Ghana fo nyina edi bronya yenim se bronya ya sha ase ahoho efi abrochire eba mesi suda me sense sudua it was sister platform so and sister station so say Adom Mpensenpensemu bia Ghana water say odi ye ka na ya ma wakwanya ya choro won krata customer service for abaho ya border road TV so ya border radio so na ya we nyina ya bo kokko ya ma grace period ache se wantua bre ya ewo mu de ye ba bronika se mo se no mercy for the cripple ye ba de ye twam na ye twam a ye ntimi enhye obo se ye besan akonete ma wanya nso ochena na se na wotwe di mu nti esre se aban susu beboa yen se de be ye aban nyumaku omode ye komatua efi se aban apa ye mpanyifo se ye nhwe so na se ya nhwe so ye na aban ba na ye bebu nkonta ye se wo agency de ka na chese ye anya adwuma ye nti ebre ye wo mu de all the ministries departments and agencies aya wa aban ase nyina no wo de Ghana water ka ebre so se otua ye ka se akatua na ama na nhyehyeye sonkun bi ama ene ye beba betwa wo nsuo ni
eti ye training say we dem say companies any government institutions the MMDAs no e kan de be ko ani mu ye pa akra che ye de yisu na afefie em aban de no money ministries no e de kan hia e na still mo entria na the first week was mo hwemu a na hwe okrata so ministries ni agencies say e na de moka se ye ka say
yes MDAs
yeah
ministries departments and agencies
yeah
ni nyina de ka omu nyina de ka say eye 1 month kura ka see PRC regulations nature say ubadan obi ka just na what busumi mienu
yeah
what you say
yeah
busumi mienu enti no say wo de ka busumi na wo de ka
eti MMDA say wo Ghana nyina de
omu nyina de Ghana wataka meyi mako nyumakuo no mako but dodo na fakese na e de ka but the other woman say ye ne minister of finance ahia
okay
ye di nsawoso a emi say ye arrangement a ebe ma secretary no ebeba enti that assurance ne the minister of finance e de amaye
e no de mo du pa
make a ministry of finance and ministry of finance as an entity ministry, and as a ministry because education ebeji o musika bi e ministry of finance
okay
enti no enti ya kase isheye ahwe ministries department and agencies na e ka bi omde e ka bia enti ya ni ministry of finance ayen hyehyeye se bia if say trade the car na se hyehyeye na na se
enti se ye hwenu se by 2024 budget no ye bedro bia de kakra de asort ne ka
yen kan sa yen hyehyeye e be ye
okay
se yen timi mfa nko budget but ye san hyehyeye ne se de be ya finance education
okay
education so ni ministry be the be because they say America say I think manya into yes free SHS for no say baby why etwetwa mu nsuo mu you know yes anya bo apayo say e betwa free SHS for nsuo mu but any minister of education any chief director of education ka ho asema em says sikasam na you be resolve but ya chance as restore services
because schools the end there more is than money school for so e dey
say ministry no so ni but ya yan hyehyɛ ya tese ya no ya restore restore say yan kwala ya manual mo enti yentimi ma te say bia hwɛ beposo na nso sam na ya twom so be ha adwen but ya program ya restore ni nyina ya reconnect them if say nya assurance from their sector minister obetua e continue san Peter Modie no ko restoration e ba enti no
you know what they quality of service. Yeah, Ghana water for Adom Ghana this year. Yes, yeah the moka, you bet you moka. Send a neba, ye number between yensu. But this is also no ye yensu say bra pemua. Yet ye muka ko tenye.
Asam no.
So eti kwa be na mo assure yes of quality of service. Asuma mo de sum ye no so. Kwa be na no mo hyebuke na. Eti yes the mat say and say so be kwa one thing.
ya abontenye se ya abontenye ba ene na ba ma check akara no ko ba bi ya abontenye ba dan
ya namu a namu they say mo be dey so na namu make sure say save esum mo so mo ne sum ye nso no aye sum papa ene mo de to abrochire ene abrochire ba fo twa mo nso mu ka abrochire nso ba kama yensu ye nyane sa wa ha
kwazi meka kakra na the head of communication bi aka
okay
we say Ghana Water Company your mandate no enye importam nyina na mremu no ye di nsuo beko ye wo community water so wo ho a da bia ye mandate no tumi aban mine dia mine se emfa nye nsusam no ye ba bia edu ye wo community water so ba bia ye de enom so so
okay
na enema bia kutia Ghana Water Company da ko eye broni be kan Port Harcourt attitudinal problems ye Ghana for no ebi yesu ultrasonic meters here you use
okay
say we are migrating a free mechanical no obi timi wa be installing meter no ono ba na wa reverse technology say den so no e ready ko nanim no e ready ba na chi
to da bia o bo na mo kra mo de nika
na ye ba ultrasonic meters is no kwasi ye sha ase no na meter na se no brass connection no brass and a hose no FM onim say meter ni bo over 4,000 cedis at the cost to Ghana Water no we install ya omo ye omo collect steel from say
for boy omo to scraps
no wo mo temi te baby a meter no no sa piece of brass na sha say ketu bi no meter of almost 5,000 no na ohwa ahwe na obi ama no wa 2 meter no na wa yi that component brass ketwa no na wa yi na wa 2 meter na twene na wa yi brass ketwa na ono koton anya 20-30 Ghana cedi no na wa 2 meter no wa sai no na wa 2 brass no wa diameter na ho we nyina aka ho ema cost of production of water no ekosoro ene yasa fa kwan foforo so ya yi brass ni nyina afiri ho aye plastic what you say ebiem galamsey activities edum ko ba bia almost every 2 weeks bia I was say a shut plant ni down na yetete ateche abehye plant ni ebasa machines ni nema bebrete mi set part bebrete mi set wom ni nyina add up to cost of production of water
okay
na afi no ba bia sanke nsuo ni ba na afi ni ya shut ni 2 weeks so ye maintenance because ateche na ye twe every anwea mu no because of galamsey no enti no nsuo no entimi masa what you say ana ye pipes are ye lay I said nsuo ni fem no ba bi wo ho over 60 years ni ye replace ye sikasem nti since Independence Day even proud independence ba bi wo ho pipes no ye lay ye nsesa no enti ba bi wo kura ye have concerns ema yen wodi nsuo abonnareche ema wodi nsuo ni fem ma wan hwe ya na atoyere nkyɛn bi asi hɔnom nti saa area wɔ nyinaa affect delivery of water.
Okay.
What I say ansa na ba sikasɛm ho yɛn kɔte Adom na ahan yi adaa no me ka wɔ mo sister mo Adom FM so sɛ yɛ pɛ sɛ yɛ bie wagyam na etimi di nsuo kɔ pɔtɛm baabia. Project estimate nko a ɛyɛ over $100 million. Nti ɛno yɛ bɛyɛ den sikasɛm so ho ɔden yɛnim baabi a sikasɛm akɔhyɛ enti Ghana Water Company yɛ bɔ yɛ ho ɔden yɛnyaa na nka nsuo ɛnam obi a pipe mo 7 days but ɛsan nneɛma bi a ɛtɔkyew in terms of enyumasɛm no ho nti no yɛayɛ ne sɛ baabi wɔ hɔ no ma wontimi nya nsuo 7 days.
Okay.
Wobɛnya bi a 3 days na etimi unua so etimi anya bi nti yɛsrɛ Ghana for sɛ yɛgu so etu anamɔn sɛ deɛ bɛyɛ a yɛgu so etu anamɔn sɛ deɛ bɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi anya nsuo abadaada nyinaa na ne yɛ a yɛnu hɔ nom no yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ wobɛpɛ reservoir polytanks ne adeɛ na sɛ wobɛnya ne 3 days a na wabu bi agu hɔ sɛ deɛ bɛyɛ a unua nso bɛnya bi saa ma ne saa na yɛka sɛ o saa empɔtɛm no yɛbɛma 5 days a unua nso enya bi yɛgu so ɛyɛ hyehyɛ sɛ yɛbɛdu mpɛmpɛnso bi obi abɛnya bi yɛnya nu hɔ no yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ mobɛnya abotrama na yɛahyɛ ne kakra ba yɛgye sɛ ɛnkyɛ bia no yɛbɛdu hɔ a nsuo no ɛbɛba obi a pipe mu.
Okay, eti me ye we aba me ba me bie for lara too. We mpɛnfo na kasa mu a we acting managing director or the head of communication. Is the only woman say head of communication on or free media mu a media na me no mienu or tia na koka kyerɛ managing director. O me nya na wa. Eti fa full line to me ba ise ma bie for lara to not me afromo. Ebra see be call game park. Ni akoti draw for this morning. Asem sɛ mu amawini so mu abamu 12 and at 6 p.m. another draw beba now so etimi wini o dia 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 ekosi 4 concern be na wo Ghana Water Company Limited almost service yo mo de MIA as of my Stanley mama won share going forward, quite many efforts to rectify some of the errors now, but me detecting.
Okay, I'm saying, young team of engineers and young staff, we are Jumano. What we do is always brainstorm, or we have periods for brainstorming to enable us move the organization forward, to enable us serve your customers a year.
Okay.
Until every time you know you're doing home, then you meet me yes sir. Every challenge I identify we brainstorm and to find out how we can go about it. Obey so be can and obey can me hold the make it. But we will say in services no for the past 15 to 20 years no it's been improving over the years. Okay. So now there's vast improvement. It's as a result of prudent management. The way amount for into your mobiles, any sikaka but tariff and soon and the challenges are you facing in we are still surviving as a company. It's as a result of prudent management. The only thing we expect from your customers is sikaka kitten a billion and then we have laid down our lives challenge
yes medical ebi amede nsuo no ye adwuma but nsuo no emma entoaso enti ama menso madwadie no enkoso se ne o setimi ekoso se manya me nsuo no ntentam nso ama madwadie nso ankoso meda ba be clear me kana me dem
enti osha reasons why it is an say in the last since the 60s and in the 50s you see in treatment plants serve Accra a wager any bone na say na the desalination plant also eba beka ho the omunyina mu boma the level of production no intimi do the demand from the population.
Okay,
just say yen do na ye especially in crime no utun say every day no population no air cost obia e demanding so look at development in within the region. And Accra the central region a boom. Oshe Kaswa is in the central region. But ne Accra a boom. Look at the way Kaswa expanded. Akoya could do Amasaman. Oshe Amasaman name Sawam Abom, in some is eastern region.
Yeah.
We share Tema, Echo, Prom, Nina Abom. But it's the same facility that SRV and one
Accra and Sevi Kaswa.
Yes.
Oh, how?
Yes, survey from the water treatment plant.
Okay.
And a survey a Kaswa.
Okay.
A interconnection because of population increase. A interconnection if he Sudro Agona Sudro Kenyako ba because the treatment plant is survey Agona Sudro. It's a interconnection from Sudro from Kenyako ba Kaswa. And now me no kai Kaswa cry any budumbura mabum. Ya manye Kenyako abum. Inti so no cry no inti do Kaswa bum. But initially no let me feel no be do Kaswa. Same way with Winneba. So development is at a higher pace compared to yen development. So we are faced with a challenge. The same treatment plants are serving an increasing population. And my demand no air cost. So there's a serious gap between demand and the supply. As a company, we keep brainstorming as to how we can supply water with the same with the same volumes of water now you're producing. Because to enable us actually meet the demand, said the boss can initially. We need to expand your treatment plants. We need to expand wager. Seriously, we need to expand fortunately, Yankopon I endow Ghana with the water resources a bit me a train area. Chance in I do bakupe. I will say it minya the cashier home. Such as the analogy I'm making. Okay. So until say treatment plant, let me expand it. Let's see for count so that we can treat more water. Let me the average a saga, and we are working at it. Okay. But the thing is, the best we can do is to do an equitable distribution of the little water in the system. Yeah. That would be into Nyakakra. Into a static education over a long period. Say. Obi ambo modina onya receptacle be and a reservoir be and what we usually say polytank be with me a store in so at least with me 1 week of storage now a bit my boy because so no ba na onya sa 1 week storage now at least until so me san be no at least you can survive on your storage. My hope sana me my be fie na me abo me first time polytank to because na miniska and I'm saving over the period. Okay. And then I make that talk bigger polytank.
Near Moka change and say constant supply of water there. You
can have constant supply of water. Per what I'm telling you. Say so top a reservoir now or reservoir is here. In so no 2 days and not 3 days.
It be there once a week.
Say 1 day now. So 1 day no tank a fuller. It can take you about a week or 2. It is a connect sa tank into fear. Obe you so who's a pipe and buy. But the connection must be done such that in so no anytime be a baby in so no ebeba. Anytime be a baby so ebe top up. Do you see and sign near top up and sign not top up. So that is the only way between a constant supply until say it between expanding your facilities. I mean their development plans are okay. Sika 7. The boss be catch up. Your name Ministry of Finance work at Nasi. I mean, you dear Bobo, and yet there at Nasi once. We keep sitting on some of these issues on weekly basis or monthly basis to ensure how we can expand your facility to meet the demands of the people.
MD, I'm going.
So the head of communication, you see, the alternative is scary. The alternative to water supply is scary. What tanker services are almost a bunso supply people at a cut-throat price. Yeah. Now, Nansana mene abranti be sort is legal. Now, every week or so 250 cities. Until a month, 1,000 cities. So on your visitors are not just a 1,005 near Chile. Yeah. Now, maybe say, now the bill, yes, and the bill, but say, or send the bill about 225, 118. But, or the cat won't be. You try and issue mono. When we say, or tanker services hall. One, the tanker services now will ensure from on. You don't even know the source of the water, how healthy or clean the water is. But because of here and so on, okay. But when we say Ghana water, they bill bro 220 118 no when tua wa accumulate me twa the pipe mu afi na opre say afi de obre ti de me catch Ghana for asrede a ebisade na asrede a de to Ghana for nyina anim say ye pabo chow ensuo no sem no ye benya ensusem 7 days in the week na ejina water bill e betua so aban abon ho modern a expand water services but ye betimi aboa aban so na aban ahyemu kina say de be ya ankura ne baby adwumayefo nyina benya ensuo aye desalination service expansion supplement ensuo ewo teshi
okay
weja ye expand begro tamale wa ye treatment plants for ho a ye koso expand existing ones and say de be dey so be bobinya but sikasem ha adwene say de ye kan weja treatment plant extension ye pese is over 100 million
okay
sikanso wa kamte be stress enyumakuo ko mode ye ka montua say de be ye betimi aye de be a service ye plants na yetimi nye sika na ye dey expand water supply system to all Ghanaians and most especially the pipes now are narrating us and you benye BDI the bay asa aye the bay SCC nembo no ye sorry so no miss kase you pay or get disconnected no is still in force ye nya nti one tria you be disconnect to baako ye sorry so me sorry so kra no wo mu ye so free ye real estate firms are illegally omo connect ye so edisi adan wo Santor is Legon any baby akese kaswa ne ye ba mo ho nti munjai ansa ne ya chewa ya buy asem police do be court afa bie mu soso no yesi so no mo betima tua mo water no bill no easy okoya payment app no so momo any to go said be ye nyina ho beto edamase
matebera say enti pani amote ke acting managing director the Ghana Water Company Limited Collins Nyama CNN nyina edin wonne Stanley Mate head of communications the Ghana Water Company Limited and airship moshwe me vai see ko for be oh ya memu so de pese bedwedwe de nyina aba na wie ba no pai krobia Kumase Asante Kotoko supporters e be sheme enibonyam omode replica JC akọ maya efe na ohu atim se ampa we kotoko replica JC pa erode eba be cheme Abraham Okore
Ntiamoko
anopo na anam
eba so enye boni bia
okay
eboni kweku
okay
eye kotoko ya replica Jesus
okay
babonti
okay
ena usu ye kotoko fani na mra so se e de bro
okay
na metiefo na hu se ya replica Jesus na ba upe bia ta uko baby bia be de na ba ya o replica Jesus na de bro
wow
ah de bejuma di tie o se metiefo na anhwe na ka ho asem
na se mai nyina wa akire o
ya customize
se midi ese box nini
no number
ti on se midi ni so na wo Charlie, Kumase Asante Kotoko. Wow.
A customizing the box ni bibia.
Hey.
We share quality ni bibia no can make.
Wow. What is approach the quality pow?
Yes.
Hey.
It's any good.
Fabu.
The best.
Madam As.
Danman the telephone.
F crab bros.
Quality no. What the camera telephone quality.
Quality here camera.
Na share the logo ni bibia.
Charlie.
Embroidery ni bibia.
This is Krobia.
Yes.
Kumase Asante Kotoko.
The bag suni. The whole brand.
It is auto say ya na etie. Okay.
They need say we need be should that customize am particular bia.
Okay.
Yeah the justice ni be call penimphobia or my former Kotoko board members. Yeah be call bia o.
Okay.
Now what GB the aboard team. Because they say team nana ye nana otu go otu vote say to na ebo team wo ka.
Yeah.
Nti ya customizing e be ma team phobia. Ombetime yibi omunsem obia ombetime yibi dia bo team no ne be customize we come but promotion ni there also qualify say also ye mobi na also so my platform you say the bank do it qualification now we need customize your platform
eti Krobia Kumase Asante Kotoko supporters replica JC oze o hwe package na kama I think say ya na it teams no enye ya na Kebema Ghana Aquarium. It is a me apart from me and my brain, so we frozen your cotton non supebia or better than you.
America Jenna, my main farm bond, who are Taifa, Kowakiki Junction, opposite Frames Oil.
Okay.
Phone number 0596 663 259 0596 663 259. Wow, Taifa.
Okay.
Side winning now.
Okay.
Who are Ben Achimota Kingsby Suswa? Achimota Kingsby Hotel side one. Phone number 0508 938 412.
Okay.
0508 938 412.
But I say.
Mami wish me new birthday.
Okay.
Your friend Opoku Boati Elias.
Happy birthday, Nkoma.
Opoku Boati. The guy named the Wastoni.
Me really have seen. I mean, I had my